The Native Borneo Village in Kota Kinabalu offers visitors a captivating glimpse into rich cultural heritage and traditional lifestyles of Sabah's indigenous communities. It serves as a living museum where various ethnic groups, including the Kadazan-Dusun, Murut, and Bajau, showcase their unique customs and traditions. Visitors can explore traditional bamboo houses, experience tribal music and dance performances, and witness authentic demonstration of local crafts and cooking. The village aims to preserve and promote Borneo's diverse cultural identity through interactive experiences. Guided tours provide insights into rituals, costumes, and daily practices of native tribes. The lush natural surroundings enhance the village's authenticity, creating a serene and immersive environment. Cultural shows and activities allow guests to participate in traditional games and ceremonies. The Native Borneo Village also emphasizes the importance of environmental harmony, reflecting indigenous respect for nature. It serves as both an educational attraction and a celebration of Sabah's living heritage. Overall, it is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to understand the soul and traditions of Borneo's native people.